Hey, Pinky here. I got to reminiscing to when I was a kid. I've always loved makeup. However, my mom wasn't always too keen on me going to school in full glam, so we would have to have a compromise, whether it be just a nude lipstick, just mascara, or some glitter. And I got to thinking, is anyone else in that situation today with their parents? Well, I thought I'd put together this look, which I think is pretty neutral and soft, but still pretty, right? Well, if you want to try this look for school, and hopefully mom and dad are okay with you wearing it to school, please stay tuned. And hey, I would love to see you try this look. Or if you give it any tweaks of your own, I'd really like to see it. Stay tuned, and hopefully we can be friends. Follow, subscribe, comment, anything. Okay, first step is to prime, because not to prime is but a crime. I'll be using this one right here. I hope you can see it. Essence Prime and Studio Hydrating Skin Refreshing Primer. Just put a little bit on your wrist. You really don't need much. And then put the rest on your face with your fingertips. Helps your makeup last much longer, especially through those long school days. What I also like to use is my Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. Helps keep my eyebrows nice and neat. Then I'm going to go on to some concealer. Again, some Essence. No, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was. I use them religiously. I'll be using this in Light Ivory 20. I'll be putting a little bit on the tips of my fingers and then putting them on my eyelids. Okay, once we've got that done, I'll be getting my lash curler, curling my lashes. That really opens up your eyes. Okay, what I've got next is some bronzing powder. Got it Sun Club Natural Glow Bronzing Powder Cool Tone. Yes, my Essence. I'll be using this brush right here. I think you might have seen me use it before. Nice and floofy. Tap off the excess. And we're going to be going along the crease of our eyelid. It's quite natural. Now, if you haven't noticed, I'm holding the brush right here, not right here. We don't want to be too aggressive on our eyelids. Like I said before, the eyelid skin is very delicate. We don't want to stretch it out or hurt ourselves. Okay, up next we're going to do eyeliner. Now we're going to do, with a pencil, we're going to try to stay really close to the lash line. That way it almost looks like we don't have anything and we just have really thick eyelashes. Maybe mom and dad will be happy with that. Okay, we stay really close. And I think also if you have hooded eyelids, it's really good to stay close to the lash line. That way it doesn't cover your whole eyelid, whatever shows. Now if you want, you can make the tiniest little wing. Now if you want to, we can also smudge it a bit. What I'm using is this brush right here. It's pretty thick. Or you could even use a cotton bud, Q-tip. Okay, what's next? Foundation. Alright, I've got myself Maybelline Fit Me Luminous Smooth Normal to Dry in 115 Ivory. Okay, again, a little bit on my wrist. You really don't need much. We don't need to waste all this product. It costs money. I don't think Mom and Dad would like us spending too much of their money now, would we? Need to save some for Christmas. Okay, got this brush here. Okay, I've made some streaks across my face with my brush. Got a moist beauty sponge, and I'm gonna blend. Once we've blended in the foundation well, I'm going back into the bronzer. Got this brush here. I can't remember where I got this from, but it seems to work just fine for me. Okay, tap up the excess. Gonna go in these parts right here on the temples. Go here on the hairline. And if you want to, we can semi-contour with it. Okay, I'm going to go back to that brush we used on our eyelids. Our nice floofy one. Go into that bronzer. And if you want to, you can try to contour your nose very lightly. Also go under our lip, create a shadow. Gives the illusion our lips are a little thicker, if that's what you want. Okay, up next I'll be dipping into my Essence blush in the color 40 Beloved. Going up here in these high points. Apples of my cheeks, and if you want your nose. Okay, up next we're going to do mascara. That is, if your mom and dad are okay with it. If your lashes have lost their curl since we last curled them with the curler, go ahead and curl them again. I'll be using Get Big Lashes Volume Curl by Essence. up next. Now, depending what deal you and your mom or dad made, tinted lip balm, lip gloss, neutral lipstick is going into our lips. Okay, I like to line my lips first. And of course, do that little trick I learned by Kevin Aqua, one of my favorite makeup artists of all time. Rest in peace. I first discovered him on my trip to the bookstore, and I found his book, one of his many books. So many tricks and techniques that are used today. Contouring, you name it. Way before Google, way before Instagram, way before all of this fun stuff. I'll be using my Essence Perfect Shiny Lipstick in the color 01. I like to blend it into the lip liner with my fingertip. Do that with my finger so it doesn't get on my teeth. And next, setting spray.